up, Brown family?
Welcome back to our channel.
Yes. So, just in time for Valentine's Day, we dropping y'all with some edible. Just kidding. We're dropping y'all with some chocolate covered strawberries.
Right. Weed in it.
Right. Edible. So chocolate covered strawberries. We doing white chocolate. We doing milk chocolate. This is our first time. So if you got a suggestion on how you do it, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share. Yes, sir.
Because these about to be bomb. I'm excited.
Yep.
Got this from Walmart, y'all. This is almond bark. We got it in chocolate, milk chocolate. And we also got it in white chocolate. Yep. This is our first time, and y'all making this with us. So if we make mistakes, y'all make mistakes.
Right.
Okay, so we got some cupcake little holders. So cute to put the strawberries in.
Yeah, that was good.
Mind you, Bae went to the store while I was working, so she did pretty good. Got some gold flakes, some pink flakes, some gold, what's this? Gold edible glitter.
Yep.
And some like gold dust. We didn't find anything red, right?
Nope.
Oh no. She has some red writing, so we're gonna do what we do with this. So we're gonna. And then also we got some toothpicks to put in the strawberries to dip in the chocolate. What else, babe?
We got that parchment paper so they don't stick while they dry. So yeah, let's get to it.
Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Are you ready?
And I hope y'all yelling.
Yes!
Right.
Ooh.
What you feel about it?
I don't want this to cut the. We're gonna get a different cutting board. Oh my god, these are fantastic. So you have to pull the green part up, dip it in, all the way down. Oh my gosh, look how freaking gorgeous this is. Wow. It's like perfect. It's not leaving any streaks or anything.
I'm surprised we had never done this.
Like, we did it before, babe, but we just didn't do it this good.
No,
remember?
We did. Yeah, we did. We did pretzels though.
No, we did strawberries before a long time ago. Yeah.
Well,
they just were
I
very
don't
ugly
because they weren't like this.
They weren't like this at all. They were ugly, just like my fingernails right now. As I say, you had to be doing the dipping. You got my fingernails all in there.
Well, I really just said you do the honors.
Oh, okay, cool.
And then you just got so excited.
Look how fucking pretty it is.
Right. Okay, little pink. Little pink. Wow. Look at it glistening. Looking a little iridescent. So this one's a little janky. I brought out the glitter, the edible glitter, and it looks not cute. I like it. It looks a little ashy, but very ashy. So you can't really tell it's gold. No, you can't. Wow. So on to the next. Alright, now we about to melt the white chocolate. Because milk chocolate is looking fire. Here you are. Oh my god. Why are you matching my outfit? I got dressed first. You liar. I really copied her today for real though. Cause I wanted to look like my wine. She came out looking so cute. Okay. Oh. Corvette. What did I just do? Shots.
Just like that. I feel like they should do a Jersey mix.
Guess what I got, guys? That shot that she asked about earlier.
Where you want to go?
I want to go to Mexico.
Mexico?
Mexico.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Wow, I can't take it. How much you let drip off? Not a lot.
Mine wasn't dripping like that. I think I did a better job than you.
Ooh, that thing look good.
Here's Cheers to us, to love, to the Brown family. Cheers, guys. You did. I'm so sorry. Great.
Oh shit now. Oh sucky now. That shot got me.
Oh, sucky.
Oh sucky now.
I don't know why they so damn big. Exactly. We need to swap them out for our ones we got.
So you gotta be soft with it.
I'm heavy-handed.
You're real heavy-handed.
Oh, that's actually pretty, right?
All right, so babe pulled out the bags. Little homemade piping bag. Oh, that's about to be dumb.
Don't hype me up because it might be ugly.
Quick. Oh, that's good, babe.
The hell?
It's another hole.
Oh, shit. Ooh.
Quick. Yes.
What the hell?
Oh, shit. Wow.
Hop in the motherfucking jet like that. Okay. Look at these. Look like Naomi did them. No, I'm just kidding. They look good. I mean, it looks like an experiment. Like, we tried out a lot of different things.
You want to do this one, right?
Yeah.
Get it, baby. Oh, you doing a no look?
Oh,
babe, come on.
that don't work as good.
You know.
Oh.
She
ugly.
looked like. Okay, no, it's actually cute. It's cute.
It's giving art.
It's giving abstract.
Oh,
that's actually cute, right?
Okay.
I like that. Yes. Y'all, look what we did. Our strawberries look so damn good. Let me start up here. All right now. Ooh.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, come down. Where's she at? Oh, that's the pop art one.
Right. Come on, pop art.
She hurt, but it's okay. Oh, we got the chocolate on chocolate. We got the gold chocolate on chocolate. The pink chocolate on chocolate. Yes, y'all. How do we do?
Right, let us know.
Yeah, now we gotta box them.
I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate.
That's a wrap! Corvette.